What's up you guys? How are you all? So today's video is a review video and the product that I'm going to review today is this, which is PAC Beauty Blender. Now you've been seeing review about PAC products. They've been really faring well. So I thought let me just give you a review of this. So this is how the blender looks like. Now this is the original Beauty Blender. This is a little worn out because I've used it a lot. So these are the two. This is worn out, so it looks a little faded. Otherwise, if you buy a fresh original Beauty Blender, they will look both identical as far as the color is concerned. Now the first thing that I notice when I hold the two products together is that the PAC Blender is a little less softer while the original Beauty Blender is pretty soft. And the reason is that the material of this PAC Blender is such that it's very densely packed, so there are hardly any pores that you can see in this product, whereas the original Beauty Blender you can see the pores clearly. So this is one difference. Secondly, as far as the application is concerned, the results are pretty much similar. Even this takes off a little product from your skin, and so does this. So the results, as far as the results is concerned, it is pretty much similar. Also, the PAC Beauty Blender might take a tad bit longer to blend the product on your skin. Otherwise, result-wise, I think they are pretty close. They are pretty close. So that's that. As far as cleaning the product is concerned, you can clean them both in the similar ways. Like you take a bowl and fill it with water and immerse the blender inside. Put it in the oven for 1 minute. It will remove all the bacteria, and then wash it with some baby soap or baby shampoo, and it will clean the product completely. The only difference that I notice after washing it is that the original Beauty Blender dries a bit faster than this one. The PAC Beauty Blender takes a little longer than this one. So that's one difference. Now the PAC Beauty Blender comes in a packaging like this, which is a cardboard box, and you have this hole where the blender fits in. Whereas the original Beauty Blender, it comes in a plastic box which has a few holes at the bottom of the box for the blender to dry. In this box there's no such option, wherein you can put in a wet blender and it will dry on itself. So this is of no use later on. Okay, now let's come to the price part of it. The original Beauty Blender, it retails for around 1900, whereas the PAC Blender, it retails for around 485 rupees, which is a big difference for the kind of results they both give. The results are pretty close, whereas the prices are far away from each other. So I'm not saying the original Beauty Blender, is not worth it. I think it's worth it. It's exceptionally good, but you can achieve similar results, quite similar if not exactly same, with this Beauty Blender, and not dig a hole in your pocket. So that's the thing. I think it's a yay for me for the PAC Beauty Blender. Alright guys, so I'll see you all in the next video. Until then, it's bye bye.